Welcome to BVG Automotive. This is the 2017 Mercedes-Benz C Class 2-liter C200 SE, a premium saloon that blends comfort, technology, and efficiency. At the front, the Mercedes-Benz features a signature grille with the iconic emblem, halogen headlights with integrated LED daytime running lights, and a sculpted bumper for a refined look. From the side, the Mercedes-Benz stands out with 16-inch multi-spoke alloy wheels, electric folding mirrors, and elegant body lines that enhance its premium appeal. At the rear, the Mercedes-Benz features partial LED taillights, a subtle lip spoiler, and a clean, sophisticated design. Powered by a 2-liter petrol engine, the Mercedes-Benz delivers a smooth and efficient drive with an automatic transmission and dynamic select driving modes, offering a balance between comfort and performance. Stepping inside, the black leather seats offer electric adjustments and lumbar support for added comfort. The 3-spoke leather steering wheel features multifunction controls for easy access to audio, cruise control, and hands-free connectivity. The center console includes a 7-inch high-resolution display with navigation, Bluetooth, DAB radio, and climate controls, ensuring a seamless driving experience. The rear seats provide excellent comfort with premium materials, adjustable headrests, and rear air vents for a relaxed journey. The spacious boot offers generous storage with a remote boot release for added convenience. For more details, visit bvgautomotive.co.uk or call 0161 399 1629. Quote registration KY67BZW to book a test drive or request a video tour.